36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, walking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Penway. This is the People versus Christopher Ricks, ticket number Z8087781, count one, operating while intoxicated. Good morning. Please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, my name is Edwin Leonard, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Ricks.
Say your name, Mr. Ricks.
Christopher Ricks.
As my understanding, Mr. Leonard, you have spoken with the prosecutor and come to some kind of resolution.
We have. She's going to dismiss the OWI and return for a plea of guilty to disorderly person.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Ricks. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
And now you've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Ricks, Mr. Leonard, you said you're sure you've spoken to Ms. Horn and that's what you guys come up with, because I don't see it in the file here.
She and I have spoken on several occasions, and also Shannon Walker, and she told me she was going to do that, and she sent me an email to that effect as well. So my understanding, she was going to put that on the record this morning.
Okay, well, I got you. She's I think tied up, so. All right, well, Mr. Ricks, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 2nd, 2022. On that date, were you at or near the location of Trumbull and Forest in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can I voir dire him, Your Honor?
Please.
Mr. Ricks, on that date of October 2nd, last year, 2022, you were inside the city of Detroit operating a motor vehicle, is that correct?
Correct.
And you operated your car, you drove off the road and over an island, is that right?
Correct.
And you had some contact with the police afterwards. Are you satisfied in your mind that your conduct was disorderly and posed a threat to the public safety of the people of the city of Detroit? Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
I'm satisfied, Your Honor. You understand, Mr. Ricks, the plea agreement that the original charge of OWI is being dismissed in return for this plea of guilty to disorderly person?
Yes.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to disorderly conduct, will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $200. Is this with some kind of non-reporting probation or?
I can't hear you, Your Honor.
Well, did you guys come up with some kind of sentence agreement?
No, we did not.
All right.
Your Honor, I must say, I don't want the city to think that I double-crossed them in any way, you know?
I don't think they will. So, okay, so there's gonna be a fine of $200. The court is going to order that you at least participate in, because you're gonna come back in 6 months, I would say, participate in the Victims Impact Panel.
Yes, Your Honor, you should know. Or do you want any facts to know about my client?
Sure.
He's 52, unless he just turned 53 years old. He's a lifetime resident of the city of Detroit. He has no criminal record. His last traffic ticket was 10, 11 years ago. He is employed by the United States Post Office. There were substantial evidentiary issues in this case. I had my client evaluated and screened for substance abuse. He completed a 13, I think it was 13, it might have been 16-hour class the assessor indicated that they thought that no further treatment was necessary. All of that information, including the legal arguments, was submitted to Shannon Walker, and then their office got back in touch with me, and this was the resolution.
Okay.
Your Honor, and I, I should acknowledge that I think the officer may be issuing a ticket for careless driving as well.
Okay, so but he has participated in some kind of class or something?
Yes, educational training research services. He completed the,
Weekend course.
yes,
Okay, so the court will just order a fine of $200. And the payment is due May 24th.
Your Honor, can I ask another question?
Sure.
It's my understanding that from Ms. Horn, that the officer is going to send my client a ticket for careless driving. I had suggested to her that maybe we could just put it on the record today.
I'll look, I guess you're asking, I'll look and see if it's in the computer.
And I didn't know if you needed it because every court's got their own, their own way of doing things.
The only matter that is open is this, this one that we're dealing with now. I don't
All right,
see anything else that's open.
all right. Just want to make sure the record's clear because I don't want Shannon Walker or Tamika Horn to think I'm pulling a funny business on them,
I think they'll be fine. It's disorderly conduct, $200 fine. You've already indicated that he's already participated in some kind of educational training regarding drunk driving, so the court is satisfied.
And
And
payment is due by the 21st.
24th, yeah,
12th of May.
May 24th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Your Honor.
And for the record, Your Honor, you did mention at first when you amended the count to disorderly conduct, you said $200 fine and return in 6 months. So,
Right, so strike that. He doesn't have to do that.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for clarifying that.
Okay.
Mr. Raeigen.
Oh, yes, Your Honor. I was just going to indicate the
Your
prosecutor
Honor,
never showed
Mr.
up.
Ricks and I, are we free to go?
Go. I'm sorry, sir. Please continue.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor, I've been in the waiting room for, waiting for the
I know.
prosecutor.
Yeah, you're waiting for the prosecutor. What were you waiting for an offer?
Yes.
She's been tied up. No, that in the past she's done visibly impaired, but I don't know the circumstances of this, so I don't know what she would do.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a first offense and the client's a a Canadian resident and he's permanently residing in Toronto.
Okay, so do you want to set this for another hearing or do you want to just keep waiting?
Do you think she's gonna be available in the next half hour, Your Honor?
I'm hopeful, yes, yeah.
I guess I can be placed back in the,
Okay,
I've waited this long, I might as well wait.
okay, yeah, and we'll text her and everything.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, you ready on Rosales?
Okay, Judge, I'm gonna bring back out Rosales and Ms. Robinson. Then I'm gonna reopen court because they were not present when I opened court the last time.
Okay, and Romano.
Okay, Mr. Romanos, correct. 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, or smoking or eating. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Gabriel Rosales, ticket number SP 1422278. count one, driver register or entitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P12184336, count one, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 2173337, count one, driver license suspended, and then ticket number 217280003, count one, driver license suspended, and count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Gabrielle Rosales.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Officer Bosque,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Bosque, Detroit Police, badge 4916.
and Officer Shabazz is here, but he's not coming out of the room.
Okay, Your Honor, defendant wishes to accept the offer in this matter to 2 improper plates, and the remaining 5 tickets will be dismissed.
And I should have asked you, but are you okay with pleading to improper plates, Officer Bosque?
That's fine, Your Honor. I have no objection.
Okay, all right, and then it would, and then dismissing one of your other, so 1 for 1 for one of your tickets. Okay, all right, raise your hand, Ms. Rosales. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading on your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of January 11, 2023 at 5:32 p.m. On that day and time, you act near Livernois and John Crump in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
You're driving a 2007 Dodge vehicle.
Yes.
The vehicle is unregistered or untitled.
Yes, they were.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will amend that count to a proper plate. I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 24, 2021 at 4:38 p.m. On that date time at near Woodward and Milwaukee in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
Was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes, it was.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis, and will amend that count to improper plates. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
If they're dismissed without prejudice, a number of officers didn't appear, but we'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of it's gonna be $200 for both tickets. So it's gonna be a total of $400. Can you have that paid by May 24th?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
All right, so you're all set. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Welcome. All right, Officer Del Bosque, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck. Give me one moment and we're gonna do Officer Borges. One moment, please.
Hmm.
All right, this is the people versus Brandon Ramondos, ticket number SP 1360206, count 1, improper plates, count 2, a driving register and title vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 1145095, count 1, driver license suspended, and ticket number SP 1360225, count 1, driver license not valid, or improper license. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Officer Porsche.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Brandon Romando.
Yes. Your Honor, Mr. Romandos wishes to accept the offer in this matter to plead to 2 improper plates. The remaining tickets will be dismissed.
All right, Officer Porsche, I don't know if you heard me. He had 3 tickets. It was the plea was completed 2 of your tickets of improper plates. I don't know if he's around, but- All right, okay. Are you okay with that, Officer Porsche, to pleading the 2 improper plates on your 3 tickets? Can't hear you. Officer Porsche?
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor, I had a little issue with my audio. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Are you okay with Mr. Ramondo's pleading the 2 improper plates?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Ramondo. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will. Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 14, June 7, 2022 at 1:59 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 7 Mile in Mendota in the city of Detroit?
Oh, man.
Were you driving a 2000 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes.
And then on that same date and time, was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to improper place. We'll proceed to, oh, you stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing is a $300 fine for the improper plates. For one of the improper plates, I waive the fine for the other one. Can you have that fine paid by May 24th?
May 24 paid $300?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you, Officer Board. You are all set. Thank you, sir. You are released.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too.
Judge, should I bring Juanita Robinson in? She has a plea to a FTD.
Yes. And then
Okay.
there's one more with an officer, Letitia Dudley. That is a 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay, I'll go talk to her.
Okay, but I can do Ms. Robinson. People versus Juanita Robinson. Ticket number.
She's not, she's in the breakout room. I'll go get her, Your Honor.
Oh, Ms. Robinson? Oh,
Yes.
here, let me see. She comes out. She is. All right, this people versus Juanita Robinson, ticket number ST 1423696, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, say your name correct.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am? Ms. Robinson? Your device is not, we can't hear you, Ms. Robinson.
It's not connected. She needs to connect her audio.
I'm gonna send her a chat also. Not-